Hello guys and welcome back to Abdullah's Best. It's me Abdullah. I'm going to review the Microsoft Excel 2010 for you. As you see, this is the formal look of Microsoft Office, all of it, but this one is a special one for Microsoft Excel because it has all the cells in. As you see, same as all Microsoft versions, there is the favorite bar, there is the file which is save as, open, close, and all these functions. Here we go to home. As you see, this is my home page. This is all that table I have created, all the numbers, all the calculation I have done. In here, as you see, the font, alignment, numbers, style, cell, editing, all these are same grouped. Microsoft use the groups, um, the groups organization to organize all things you need, so you won't get lost. But in all versions there is a new things, all things, special things for special programs, same as Excel, which is the number. You can add the dollar sign, the percent sign on all these. I think most of you are asking, how did I add this table? How did I calculate all these? Did I use a calculator? Did I use all these? No, I didn't. Using a calculator is really hard and it's really difficult, and it's gonna take a lot of time. So what do is equal, let's say 5 times 5, press enter. Here you go, just give you the answer. You don't have to use any calculator or any other device to calculate your thing. Excel by itself is a calculator, guys. So let's say, so all these wasn't easy to do using using fill, which was the left, like down. You're just gonna use it like, let's say example. So 5 plus 2 5 plus 4 times 2, then it's gonna, oh sorry, I forgot the equal sign. You guys, the calculator and this program won't work even, like, you have to press the equal sign and then it's going to work. Say 5 plus 4 times 2, here it goes, 13. You press that down and then you use fill down, it's gonna say all 13. If you have other formulas, let's say, as you see in this formula, it's going to say like 15.50 plus 39 equals this 604. Let's say that as an example. I don't just want to equal that, but look, you're not gonna press any times 16.5 times 40. That is too difficult for all people, as I think it's gonna take you a long time. So let's say, so these are the cells. Before I move to that, these are the cells. How you can move them, by the arrow keys or by clicking on them, clicking on any cell. As you see, this is cell E3, this is A2, this is H2, this is H14, as you see. So to move, let's say I want this, so you press equal D8 times, as you see, it's going to change to blue, times E8 E8. There you go. Then you just press enter. Here you go. So 604. So you don't want to do that for all of them. Like, let's say you don't want to do E9 times D9, D9 times D10 times E10 on all of that. You just use the fill handle, fill down. Here you go. You have all of them right. This is magic, as you know. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, now delete it. How to insert a table? Inserting a table is really easy. So you just highlight what you want to insert as a table, and then you press insert table. That, oops, here you go. You have column 1, column 2, column 3, type whatever you want, and so on. The dollar sign, I'm gonna talk about that. You don't just press shift then 4 then type your number. It's 1. So what you do is put in your number, and then go to home. You press that. Here you go. It's gonna add it to you, and it's gonna add 0.20 as the cents as the cents. So let's say here you go, guys. Added them by itself. It had the dot, the dollar sign, and these nice things. Let's go back. Using this, you can arrange. You can customize your cell size. I mean, the width. You can, if you come to this line here, you click on it and then you drag it. Let's say this is too thin. Here, this high. The height right now is comfortable. I like it. I'm good to go. As you see, I did here, which is employee surname, first name, department, wage rate, and all these. So it took me a time, but it's not. It took me a long time to say like D10 times E10 and doing all of that again. So you just do it once. Use the fill handle. Let's say this. I want to clear it. You say clear, clear all. So here you see you cleared what you selected, even borders and everything. Here we go. We're back to the border and so on. So this. Now here you go. You have the border. If you want to add a border inside, same as I did between the numbers, same as this one here, between the boxes. So you say all borders. Here you go. You have it again. You just type whatever, boom. Here you have wrap text, margin, marge, and center, which you can. It's joins the selected cell into one large cell and centers all the content in the new cell. This is often used to create labels that that span multi columns. Again, increase indent, decrease indent, same from the last video. This one is orientation. Rotate the text to diagonal or angle or vertical orientation. This is often used for labeling narrow columns. So if you see, this program is also for creating graphs. If you create a line graph, you want to label it. It doesn't feel like that, so you have to rotate it. So you use that to rotate your text. Insert. You can insert a pivot table. Sorry, guys. You can insert a table, picture, clip art, smart shapes, smart art, same as the last time, which is, let's say, this one, same as Microsoft. There you go. You inserted the art. You can type whatever you want. You can insert a common graph, line graph, pie graph, bar graph, area graph, a scatter graph, and other charts or graphs, basically. And here you change your line, your common, your win or lose, since hyperlink, text box again, header and footer, word art, signature line, object, equation, or symbol. This what is for. Let's go to the page layout. And here you have the themes. You can insert a themes. I'm gonna choose this theme. I don't know why I didn't apply it, but I should. Okay. And here you can customize your margins, your orientation, the size, the print area, breakers, again, background. This is the coolest feature. You can add a background to your or a wallpaper to your chart. So the same as I'm going to do again. Here you go. I added all that picture. Look, seems white. I know. That's it. Look, you're going. It's gonna keep repeating. The picture is gonna keep repeating by itself. You can add a print titles, scale. You can use a scale or height or width. So it's automatic right now, but you can type the number you want it to be. Formulas is gonna use like auto sum. Oh, auto sum is really nice feature. So let's say you have 2 then 3 and 3. Then you want to auto sum. So what you do is highlight 23 and then press auto sum. Here you go, you got 5. So I don't have even to use the plus thingy. This is all I got for you guys today. See you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Hope you like